This is going to be a challenge. It's going to be a fun day. Hopefully you get a little inspired from the day. Hopefully there's something in it for you, and I know there's going to be something in it for me. So let's go have some fun. The name of the channel is Fish, Fly, and Freedom, so we get to start chipping away at that fly part of the name real fast here. We're going to try to mount the GoPro onto the nose with duct tape. We're going to go real high tech. We'll get back here in about a half hour and meet up with Jerry, go fly some airplanes.
Morning.
You have an orange juice?
Orange juice?
Yeah. Thank you.
Jim, move. Why should your wife be in your face?
We have arrived. It's supposed to stabilize everything really well, right?
Yeah, it has a stabilizer, but before that gyro or something.
Wow, that's awesome.
I know.
You don't want to come out with us and film, do you?
What's that?
You don't want to come out with us and film, do you?
Oh, I got things to do.
Alright, cool. Maybe later.
All I could do is take one breath
Every
and then I'd
attempt.
get hit again, and then in the wash machine, and then it'd settle down a second. I'd find the bottom
Yeah.
and kick up. Boom!
Same thing.
So it happened like 10 waves in a row,
Wow.
and I was not making it in.
Oh, you couldn't come in, so you were kind of stuck out there.
Stuck in the surf there.
Jeez.
And about after the 10th wave, man, I come up for some air, and there's a helicopter with a bag with a basket hanging
Is that
down.
right?
I didn't get it the first time. I tried to, but the wave nailed me before I could get the basket. But the next time I popped up, it was right there, man. So I
Grabbed that sucker
and they
and...
hauled me out.
Are
with a
you
helicopter.
kidding me? And your board strapped to your foot? Your ankle?
No, I didn't. I just had fins on, no board.
Oh, you didn't have a board.
The guy who jumped in with a board, they picked him up about 3 miles down the coast.
Got six or eight charged batteries?
Yeah.
Excellent.
For the little guy, I've got 3. I think I got about 3 for each of everything.
The little one takes smaller batteries.
Yeah, this little guy.
Okay, yeah, those are pretty compact. Kind of in the middle there. Hair forward, okay. You recognize some of these guys, you've seen them before?
Yeah. You know, they're friendly enough, but
Just have their own style, right?
yeah. If you ask them, they'll say they're artists.
That's right. Big boys and their toys, man. It's pretty fun stuff. Yeah, the thing's pretty smooth. Is that rudder giving you issues, or is it not?
No, not really. You know, maybe I will.
Do another 5 minutes?
Just go up and land it again.
There you go. Got to redeem that landing a tad, eh? Hey, that's a little better.
Said,
yeah.
my knees are knocking.
Your knees are knocking. Well, it sits down safe on the ground.
There you go. Yeah, better that you're on the ground and the plane's in the air, right?
Thank goodness the second landing was a little better than the first.
There you go. Nothing like good old duct tape to get the job done, right?
Yeah, this is pretty good stuff, I gotta say. This. It's filming.
All right, cool. Yeah, it kind of naturally it stabilizes, huh? Yeah, that's really cool. This is the beta test here, see if the airplane can handle the weight of the GoPro. And we've got liftoff. Flies good. I have faith. That's what they call a go-round. Alright, he's got to go around because it ballooned. Battery holds and we can get this baby down. He just tried to land but it ballooned, so he did a go around. Now he's coming down. We'll see if we can get this done. Looking good so far. Hey, what do you know? Nice job. Jared, that was awesome. Yeah, 7 minutes into yes, that's awesome.
I mount a GoPro on the back of the boat every time we race.
Yeah.
So I got a lot of.
You got a lot of experience, yeah. Hours and hours and hours of footage. That's pretty cool. Well, it's cool that she's getting excited about starting to, do the production side of things, because
most guys' wives aren't showing up out there, you know. A guy came up and said, "Are you a member of AMA, American Modeling Association?"
Okay.
I was, but not currently.
Right.
But I wasn't going to tell him.
So what difference does it make? I mean,
well, they get insurance, so if you hurt somebody, then the AMA kicks in. But
I could come hang with you and take a run or two on the boat if I wouldn't be a liability to the
you need people.
You need people, okay.
Yeah,
cool.
I need guys like you that are
ambitious and
strong enough,
energetic. And
to hoist the spinnaker, you got to get someone up there just really pulling on that thing to get it up.
It's probably a great workout too. Man.
If you don't pull it up fast, it'll go over the side of the boat and you run it over.
Jeez, you don't want to do that.
Yeah.
Yeah, that'd be great. I can use, I always look for.
Oh, you'll dig it, man. You'll dig it.
I can do a lot of the strumming, man. I'll sing long songs of strumming or something.
That's fun. You guys jam sitting here?
Jam here, yeah. I'm just jamming here, yeah.
It's cool. Yeah. That's fun stuff, man. Well, I just got to meet Fred. Fred was playing the banjo. And man, how pretty was that, huh? It's just a fantastic sound. The sky is the limit. And it literally is the limit. I'm taking airplane lessons right now. I'm in flight school. And I am realizing that the sky is the limit. Our life is limited only by the limitations that we put onto it. Fred, I'm Joel. Nice to meet you, brother. Have a great night.
You too.